How does shaft flex impact golf club loft and lie? Imagine swinging a club that feels just right, where every shot flies true and lands exactly where you want. That's where understanding shaft flex and its effect on loft and lie becomes so important. Shaft flex is how much the shaft bends during your swing. A more flexible shaft bends more easily, while a stiffer shaft resists bending. This bending influences how the club head moves at impact. When you swing, the shaft's flexibility causes the club head to lag behind or releases differently, affecting the loft angle. Loft is the angle of the club face relative to vertical. It controls how high the ball launches and how much spin it has. With a flexible shaft, the club head tends to lag during the downswing and then releases at impact. This often increases the dynamic loft, making the ball launch higher with more spin. So, a flexible shaft can help players get more lift and control, especially if they have a slower swing speed. On the other hand, a stiffer shaft keeps the club head more stable and square at impact. This can reduce the dynamic loft, leading to lower ball flights. It also tends to produce more consistent shots for players with faster swing speeds. Lie angle is the angle between the shaft and the ground when the club is at rest. Shaft flex influences how the club head aligns with the ground during the swing. If the shaft is too flexible for a player's swing speed, the club head might twist or close too much at impact. This can flatten the lie angle and cause shots to go offline, often pulling or hooking. Conversely, a shaft that is too stiff might keep the club face more open or cause the lie angle to increase. This can lead to shots that fade or slice. Proper shaft flex helps keep the club face square and the sole sitting flush on the ground, which is key for accuracy. Golf professionals know that matching shaft flex to a player's swing speed, tempo, and releases pattern is essential. For players with slower swings, a more flexible shaft helps maximize loft and launch conditions. Faster swingers often need stiffer shafts to control loft and maintain proper lie angles. Fitting a club without considering shaft flex can cause inconsistent ball flights and poor accuracy. That's why fitting professionals measure swing speed and test different flex options. The goal is to find the right combination that keeps the loft and lie angles true during the swing. In the end, shaft flex impacts loft and lie by changing how the club head sits and moves at impact. When matched correctly, it helps keep the club's designed angles intact, leading to better shots, more distance, and improved accuracy. Whether you are a man or a woman golfer, understanding this connection can make a real difference in your game.